Anong ganap sa mundo ng showbiz? Pinuputakti sa X ang Instagram post ni Miss Universe 2015 Pia Wurtzbach-Johnsy noong August 17 matapos ang kanyang appreciation post para sa mister niyang si Jeremy Johnsy. Tinawag ni Pia na best friend at life partner ang kanyang mister na kahit sobrang hectic ng kanyang schedule, ay supportive pa rin at hinahayaan siyang tuparin ang kanyang mga goals. Spent the last 3 weeks with my best friend and life partner, pretty much joined at the hip. Jeremy and I had the best time. So many funny moments. Wish I could share what really happened in the last few weeks behind closed doors. Maybe soon when the time is right. But it's just what we both needed. Jeremy's been working hard, probably the hardest and most focused I've ever seen him. He doesn't post about it a lot, but this man has been working non-stop on some exciting progress and growth for beautiful destinations. I'm so proud. To have been planning and working on some exciting things I have in the pipeline for my career, with his support and encouragement for sure. Excuse the cheese, but I'm just so grateful to have a partner who lets me fly and reach for my goals. Mababasa sa Instagram post ni Pia. Isang ex-user na nagngangalang Bortang Barbie Girl ang nagbigay ng mali siya rito. Sinasabing tila pa simpleng clapback ito ni Pia kay Heart Evangelista, kaugnay ng pinag-usapang pagsusuot ni Heart ng luxury necklace kay Panda, ang pet dog niya. Minali siya ng ilang netizen ang post ni Pia dahil ang nasabing mamahaling alahas ay ine-endorso rin ni Pia. Pia's clapback at Heart matapos siyang ikumpara sa kanyang aso na si Panda. Kaloka, saad ng isang ex-user na binibigyang tuon ang sinabi ni Pia sa dulo ng post na, "Excuse the cheese but I'm just so grateful to have a partner who lets me fly and reach for my goals." Sa kanyang TikTok live naman, walang binanggit si Heart na patutsyada niya kay Pia ng pagpapasuot ng mamahaling kwintas kay Panda. Subalit nagpahayag siya na siya ang may-ari ng kwintas at magagawa niya ang gusto rito.
I own the necklace. I can do whatever I want and then pull it out. Basically, Panda owns the necklace. So, hindi siya loan. So she can do whatever she wants with it.